Welcome back for another Snap series. We will be talking about making a digital glassboard on OBS. You will need several things for this setup. First, you need a secondary monitor or monitor with touchscreen. You will need OBS and its virtual camera plugin, and a program that you can write on and change the color of the background. So first, let's prepare the touchscreen monitor. If you have an iOS and Android device, like a tablet or a phone, download the application SplashTop Wired. Once you're done downloading the application, download it too on your desktop or laptop. Once you're done downloading the program, run the program. Plug in your iPad and open the application. It will automatically register your tablet or iPad as the secondary monitor. So now that you're done preparing your secondary monitor, let's prepare your digital board. For this example, we will be using Microsoft PowerPoint. Open a blank presentation, right-click and select Format Background. Make sure you select Solid Fill, select Color and change the background. Then select a color that you will not use on your text or writing. Once you're done, open it as a slideshow and place it on the secondary monitor. Now you open your OBS and make sure your camera or webcam is connected and it's registered as a source in OBS. So next, add a source by pressing the plus sign or right-clicking, then select Window Capture. Once you're in the properties of Window Capture, select the window, which is the PowerPoint slideshow, then change the capture method to Windows Graphics Capture. This way it will register anything that you change in your digital board. Once you're done, click OK. So quickly go to PowerPoint on your secondary monitor, then try writing. So our next step is to take out that green color. Select your digital board source, which is the PowerPoint digital board. Right-click and select Filters. Once you're on Filters, right-click or press the plus sign on Effects Filter and add Chroma Key. In most cases, it should automatically take out the green color. Once you're done, click on Close. So you can go back to your other screen and start writing. You should notice that the green color is gone and you should be able to write anything and it should pop up on your screen. This will simulate like you're using a glass board. As you can see in the iPad, whatever I write on the PowerPoint, it will register on OBS. There are other applications for this, like preparing text, Or you can also prepare graphics or photos, make it like a quiz, and you can eventually reveal the answer. So we will be trying it on a different program, and we will just quickly scroll through the same procedure. So the nice thing about Photoshop is that you can change the brushes to create texture on your writing. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos.